Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig. Let's start drawing. At first, I draw her eyes, then her nose and the shape of her head. Smiling mouth, a circle for her cheek, now I draw her body. Her arm, her legs, lastly, I draw a line for the ground. Hooray! Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. At first, I'm going to use this light pink color for Peppa's skin. Then a light purple for her cheek. I'm going to use this beautiful red color for Peppa's dress. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.